All right, so we have an early prototype of the energy monitoring system. Right here we have a database on Amazon that is gonna hold all the information. So there's an ID for each house right now and an energy column which stores how much energy was consumed in that time that we logged it. So you can have multiple houses and a whole bunch of logs of energy consumption per house. We can add more of these later on, but this is just early prototype. So right here is, we have a program running on my computer that's tracking the amount of energy on a lamp right next to me. And we could easily put this on the Raspberry Pi, but we need an adapter that we ordered, and that'll take some time to come in. But it should be really easy once we get that. So you can see that there are no entries in the table right now, and this screen is blank. But I'm gonna turn the light off, the lamp off in a second, and you'll see some stuff pop up here, and then once we refresh the table, you'll see an entry be added there. So I'm gonna turn the light off, and you can see that it just spit out how much energy was consumed and for how long it was. Now, when I go to the database and refresh it, you can see that the data was logged. There was 2 entries put in, probably because the sensor recorded 2 separate ones, but you can see one is a really small value. So they are accurate, but it just split them up, probably because of the sensor. And yeah, it's really early prototype, but this is, like I said, in a database, and we can easily change the house IDs, so it works for multiple houses, and the database it's in is through Amazon and can scale to whatever millions of devices, so we have a good early start. So you want
So no, I'm just recording. This is the wire that's running through the sensor. The sensor is being fed through to the other analog control arm, if you will, which is then being fed to the computer by USB.
that's running the software.
That's running the software, but eventually it will be run on the Raspberry Pi.